Chapter 15. Natural Resources. We use many things in our daily lives. Some of them we get from nature, while some are made by man. All those things which we get from nature are called our natural resources. The things which are made by man are called man-made resources. Natural resources: land, air, water, plants and animals give man different kinds of natural resources. 1. Land. We observe the soil, mountains, land and fields in our surroundings. The fields have fertile soil. From this soil, we get food grains. If we dig the ground, we get minerals like iron and coal. In short, mud, stones, rock, soil, food grains, iron, coal are all natural resources obtained from land. 2. Air. We breathe in air and breathe out air. While breathing in air, we breathe in oxygen from the air. Oxygen is the air's most important natural resource. 3. Water. We find water in rivers, lakes, wells, and seas. We get drinking water from the wells, the rivers, and the lakes. Similarly, rivers, lakes, and the sea give us water, fish, and salt. All these are natural resources obtained from water. 4. Plants. There are plenty of trees, shrubs, and grass around us. We have dense, that is, thick forests. From the trees of the forests, we get wood. Moreover, we get grass, medicinal plants, rubber, honey, etc. from the forest. In short, wood, rubber, grass, honey, etc. that are obtained from the forest constitute natural resources. 5. Animals. Some animals and birds give us milk, wool, and flesh, while some birds give us eggs. All these things which are obtained from the birds and animals are called natural resources.